My baby hates tummy time. Used to be able to do it, can't do it anymore. No, the tummy time just really didn't happen. Placing your baby on their tummy is not tummy time. And let me just explain what you are looking for and why you're getting frustrated and worried as a parent, but your baby's really getting frustrated. And then I'm just going to give you a really simple lesson that you can start doing, but we really need to encourage it, because right now your baby should be rolling over and not trying to push away from the floor. Pushing away from the floor is not the tummy time. So I'm going to show you here with my doll. So, whoops. Okay, so here we're at. So what you're looking at right now is your child doing this. When they feel they can't do something, or literally because there's no control over their bodies, they almost feel like they're drowning. And this is where they're getting frustrated, and what you're saying hates. No baby hates anything at 3.5 months. Let's even to later. It's just not in their system. Can they do it? No, but they don't hate it. They're not going to put themselves in a position that is difficult for them or it hurts them. It's the same language, and they'll just avoid it like the plague. They're much smarter than we are. We have a bad back. We're still going to work. We're still taking care of our families. They have something going on. So what are you looking for? First of all, pelvis up. Pelvis is not dropping in this case. Chest is too heavy, right? And then also you're looking for a head lift. No baby pushes off the floor and lifts her head. Now you and I can do this, but a baby does not. What they do is their pelvis goes down, and like a seesaw, that starts to rise them up in tummy time. So that's the exercise we need to work on. You're going to just lightly come underneath your child, just scoop them. Very similar to what I'm doing here. I have to hold my baby's head, but you're going to have to too, because of the struggles that she's having, especially in crossing midline with the chest cavity. You want to synchronize the movement. So I'm not holding the head. It's just like a magic carpet kind of thing here. And that's what you want. You're just coming right underneath here, and you're just letting her start to experience what your child needs to do. It's really that easy. So you're just underneath, and you're just like a gentle boat. And you're allowing this to happen. You will probably notice you've got to lift your baby at first. That seesaw's not there. If you really want more of a seesaw sensation, very easily just bring the feet off the surface that you're working on to get that availability. Because this is also why we're meant to milestones. When we're meant to milestones, they start getting bigger. And so, and they're meant to do things when they're smaller, right? And that. Now in the tummy time course, I'll teach you different things. If your baby seems to be having reflux and those kind of things, you might want to start with your chest. It'll troubleshoot it a bit more. The Fast Start program is great because right now you're already getting a little bit behind on your milestones and you want to catch up on that. So you would do the tummy time and then going into the rolling over. But right now with the rolling over, where the complication's going to be, you can see in my doll that I put the lines on here. Your child has no midline crossing whatsoever, right? And so that's where you're getting the flailing and the head starting to look back and forth, versus, again, you should start to see this. See how my midline crosses, right? And then eventually they go, oh, I see something, and that midline crosses, and I go to rolling over, which should be happening at the 3 to 3.5 month level. So you're there. And right now, there's not even attempts to rolling over because she can't do it. It's not that they don't want to, they hate it. It's just that inability, and that's where we're getting into. So just start with that simple exercise. And I really hope that you see the difference. And if not, again, right back, but you're going to see the difference. And that's going to encourage you to start doing a couple of more videos so you can get her back on track, as well as experiencing tummy time. Tummy time is a really important milestone because it's their foundation for lying down. They're horizontal, to go into all the horizontal milestones that happen birth to 3 months, which is tummy time, looking at you and then rolling over. I hope that helps, and I will see you in a little bit. Thanks for your feedback.